West Fork Campground, right outside of Pagosa Springs, slot number 18.
70 watts from the sun. Alrighty, we made it to camp. We pushed out of the Valley of the Gods down through Durango, stopped at the Four Corners. That was kind of cheesy, but a little unique. I liked it. Bucket list thing, say you did it. And then came to a family favorite camp spot. We've been coming here since 2005. Brought the girls, brought friends. West Fork Campground, just outside of Pagosa. It's right on the San Juan River, as you can see behind me. It's quite tranquil. Our campsite is about 50 feet that way. And so this river will lull us to sleep tonight. It's always nice to put your feet in the water. It's nice and cold. It's kind of our family favorite spot. It's kind of like a home away from home in a way. It's just below the scenic lookout for the valley, and it's also just down the mountain from the Great Divide and Wolf Creek Pass. So it's pretty convenient. Tomorrow we'll probably pack up, head south through New Mexico, and then make our way back to Texas. This has probably been one of the best overlanding trips that we've had through New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, now in Colorado, and then back to Texas. We'll have a lot more adventures to come. Okay, time for a little walk. What do you think, baby? Good little walk in the country. Chippendale. Right over here is where we played with the girls when they were little, remember? How's the water?
It's ice cold, and it feels good. Burnt, they're purple.
Something like roasted potatoes and bacon.
Mushrooms and onions.
My baby loves me.
My uncle taught me how to shuffle.
Nothing.
They're not.
Dana knows how to play cards. Good morning, guys. It got extremely cold last night. The moisture coming off the river and cold air coming off the mountains, which still have snow in them, just was extremely cold. All the moisture. That was the first time I've been cold at night on this trip in my sleeping bag and blanket. But we made it. We're gonna get some coffee. We're We're going to see if we can make it to Caprock tonight. Not quite sure with Memorial Day weekend if we can get in. They're probably all booked solid, so we may have to drive all the way home tonight. We don't know. We're gonna see, but we're gonna crank up and get out of here, and we'll see you down the trails.